Alright guys, how y'all doing? And if y'all are like me, you don't like to sit and watch a whole 30-45 minutes of video of a chase, cops chasing somebody, and you gotta wait to see what happened, and you know what, I'm just giving y'all the good stuff. So this cop is chasing this damn guy on a motorcycle. I don't know what he intends on doing. Is he gonna try to pit maneuver a motorcycle? What's gonna happen? Oh, look at the birds. I've actually been hit being on a motorcycle and a damn duck. I'm going across the river doing about 90 over a bridge, and the damn duck took off flying and hit me. Oh my God, almost knocked me right off the bike. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? He wrecked. No, he didn't. Now he got smart. Is there two guys on that motorcycle? Look like two of them on there. Finally, after an hour, he figured out to dang go off in the woods. The only way to go and catch him is if the helicopter's overhead. Or he wrecks it. Damn, we're going off-roading. Take that motorcycle where they can't go. Yeah, when I was young and dumb, I used to do young, dumb stuff like that too. Then you grow up and realize it ain't worth it. But it is fun. The adrenaline. Wow, he is taking them in the woods. He knows where he's going, obviously. Damn. Yep, end of the road. Uh-oh. Is that the motorcycle laying there? Oh, he dumped the bike. Is that the bike? Yeah, they'll shoot you, motherfucker. Is that the motorcycle? Yep, that's the motorcycle laying there. He dumped that bitch and run. Try to zoom in and see what's happening. So get the fuck out here, huh?
There's nothing to use now. You bet to your waistband, so let me show you this. Who'd you reach it for? I'll be the night.
Dude's talking gibberish. Can't understand him. Go.
Why are you running?
After all that, he dumped the bike and just ran right there in the woods and laid down. I'd have been gone. I'd have kept running, climb a tree or something.
Sir, I didn't build a new house. This is my property, right?
Good job, 78.
He's on his own property. He said, "This is my property." That's why he knew the property.
You're not a very good driver.
And that cop told him, "You're not a very good driver." Damn sure gave him a chase for an hour.
What I didn't stop him this week.
Martin, I'm with the state police. So you just going a little fast.
I appreciate the service.
You was going 71.
I didn't want to handle that. I knew you were, but not immediately ago.
You know something though, sir? If I was you, okay,
Yes, sir.
please never do it again.
I won't.
Because you're not a very good.
I ain't gonna. Yeah, I had to do that.
Rider. We can rent motorcycles.
I can
rent So go back here.
So the cop originally was pulling him over for speeding, doing a 71 miles an hour and a 55. You're truly gonna risk someone's life, or actually a lot of someone's, driving that way for an hour for freaking lots of miles through traffic for 71 mile an hour ticket and a 55. This is what I'm realizing. These cops, he had his tag number. He could have mailed him a ticket. They do it here in Florida. They have the video cameras at the red lights. You run that red light, it captures your tag, and you get a ticket in the mail. These cops need to stop endangering so many people until they come up with some kind of system to disable the car while it's going through the computer or something. Shoot out the radiator with something. Not chasing through cities like that. So many people's lives were in risk for a 71 mile an hour ticket.
Thank you, sir.
Ridiculous. Tell me what you think. Do you think that these cops should be able to risk everybody like that for a 71 mile an hour and 55 mile an hour zone? If the car's going to go and the vehicle's taken off from the officer that has the tag number, send them a ticket. Go to their house. Do you think I'm wrong? I mean, I don't know. Y'all tell me. Leave me what you think in the comments. Let me know. Please like and share, okay? Thank y'all. Have a good day.
I can't either.